Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing another cook with me. I'm making a broccoli salad, one of my favorites that my sister makes, so I decided to try it myself. I haven't been meal prepping. I've been super busy the last few weeks. It may not seem like it because I'm not uploading as much. I have been working with Whole Foods Market on a video series that's reinventing the traditional home economics course with virtual classes featuring the 365 brand by Whole Foods Market cleaning products. There's a link in my description if you want to learn more, and be sure to check my Instagram because enrollment starts today. So first I'm getting all my ingredients together just so everything is where I need it. Then I'll get started on the pasta because the salad only takes a few minutes to prepare. Now I'm going to wash and chop the broccoli, dice the red onion, and mix together the salad ingredients that I'll add to the pasta later. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description for you if you want to try this. If you do, send me a picture and tag me on Instagram. Now while the pasta is finishing up, I'm going to tidy up a little. I'm getting my strainer ready to put the pasta in and put the broccoli salad in the fridge to chill. I'm splashing the pasta with cold water. I always do this, but it's important to add the pasta cold because this is a cold salad.
Give me some directions to get to you, Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind.
After the broccoli pasta has chilled in the fridge for about 10 minutes, I'm plating it and sprinkling some crispy onions on top for crunchiness. I love onions. I find any reason to add them to anything. And that is it for this video. I hope you all liked this quick meal. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.